Hey everyone, welcome to one more amazing episode of Multilingual Hiring Insights, brought to you by iSmartRecruit. I'm Joey, and today, we're diving into a really fascinating topic, how AI and automation are, transforming the whole multilingual hiring landscape.
Hey, Joey. And hello to all our listeners out there. I'm super excited to talk about this because, the changes we're seeing in this space are just absolutely incredible.
So Mia, I've been really curious about how AI is actually changing the way companies handle multilingual recruitment. What's your take on this?
Well, it's really interesting because AI and automation are, and I mean this literally, revolutionizing how we approach multilingual hiring. First of all, we're seeing these amazing AI-powered language assessment tools that can, evaluate candidates' language skills in real time. And they're doing it with incredible accuracy.
That's fascinating. But how does this actually help recruiters in their day-to-day work?
Right. So here's the thing. These tools are basically eliminating the need for, separate language testing processes. You see, traditional methods were time-consuming and often inconsistent. But now, AI can assess multiple language skills simultaneously, right? It's checking grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, everything at once.
So, what about the automation aspect? How's that fitting into the picture?
Oh, that's actually really, really exciting. Automation is totally transforming the entire recruitment workflow. You've got these smart systems that can automatically screen resumes in different languages, right? And they're not just looking for keywords. They're actually understanding context and meaning across multiple languages.
That sounds like it could save companies a lot of time. What other benefits are we seeing?
The benefits are just enormous, First off, companies are seeing much faster hiring processes because these systems can handle multiple candidates in different languages simultaneously. And the quality of hires is improving because the assessments are more consistent and objective. Plus, it's reducing bias in hiring, which is super important.
What about the challenges? Are companies facing any difficulties implementing these technologies?
That's a really good point. The main challenge is getting the implementation right. Companies need to ensure their AI systems understand cultural nuances and language variations. Plus, there's always the need to maintain that human touch in the process, right?
Well, this has been incredibly insightful. Before we wrap up, any final thoughts for our listeners?
Yes. I just want to say that this technology is really just getting started, and it's going to keep evolving. Companies that embrace these tools now are going to have a huge advantage in building diverse, multilingual teams.
Thanks so much, Mia. And thank you all for tuning in to Multilingual Hiring Insights by iSmartRecruit. Remember to visit iSmartRecruit.com for more insights into the future of recruitment. Until next time.